This tutorial is about how to program the OFM interface. First, read in a stack with Seek Reader Hub. I choose stack 000, open it, then I run OFM. There are 7 stacks, so the number of sets is 7. And we select Combine Stacks and click OK. Move this further up. Okay, so you can see there's a control window with 6 tabbed pages. And what we're going to do as an exercise is change the text in the Run OFM button to just say Run. So what we need to do is open the tabbed control window.java file in a text editor. I recommend using EditPad Lite or EditPad Pro as the text editor. Both are better than WordPad and Notepad for editing Java files. And EditPad Lite can be downloaded for free off the internet. Right now, I'll double click on tabbed control window.java and it will open up in EditPad. Since we want to edit Run OFM, we will do a search on Run OFM to find the location in the code. So there it is. So if we want to change it to Run, we'll just delete the OFM part and save the file. Now we can close out of the file. Okay, generally it's a good idea to delete or rename the class file that's there so that when you create a new class file, you know for sure you did create one. So here I'll rename it. Okay, to compile, you select plugins, compile and run, and there tab control window.java. Now you see you get an error message, an instantiation exception error. You don't have to worry about that because the main file is the one that's supposed to do the instantiating. The main thing you want to see is that a class file was created. If a class file is not created, then you do have to pay attention to the errors and you have to correct them. Okay, so now we have to delete the windows. Then we're going to redo, we're going to read in with Seek Reader again and then run OFM. Seek Reader back to stack 000. Now we're going to run OFM. Put in 7 stacks. Combine stacks. Click OK. And you can see that this button that used to say run OFM now says run. It's pretty self-explanatory how to edit the interface, because if you just read the code in the tabbed control window.java document, you'll see what you need to know.